How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be tearing down the carburetor that came on my kx250. I believe it's the stock carburetor, but I'm not too sure. I don't know exactly what came on that bike when it came out from the factory. I want to say that they came with this carburetor, but I'm not too sure. So yeah. Here's the carburetor that came on the bike. It's a keihen carburetor. There's numbers right there. The inside looks fairly decent. I still have to open up the bottom to see what all in there is good or not, if anything's clogged. The choke works, and the spring in here is good. So yeah, let's just get taking it apart, see what's inside of it. First thing is first, let me measure it just to see how wide this is. It's about an inch and a half. So I'll just convert the inches to, I think it's millimeters, I want to say, or centimeters is how they measure the carburetors. So then I'll know what size I need. But let's try opening this up, make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, so doesn't look too horrible in there. It's nothing in the bottom of that. Let me try taking off these screws. So yeah, if there's that much play in it, I'd say don't risk it. Go to a bigger size. Sweet. So that way you don't risk stripping the bolt head. Just make sure you're pressing in, giving it pressure as you're screwing, so that way it doesn't try to back out, because then you're stuck having to try to get off some threaded bolts, and I think everybody hates that. So it kind of already looks like someone messed up these. God, focus. There we go. Somewhat. Yeah, that looks pretty bad already. But all we can do is try. Oh gosh. Okay. Got that one off. Muck, just all types of crud on it. Just the other side. That one's pretty loose already. It's just got like see what's in the bottom of this. Bad bolts. They're not horrible, but pretty worn. Okay. Take this off. Well, I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but it could definitely be cleaner. Gotta clean that out. Got that pretty much clean. Take this off, float off. Make sure this doesn't have any gas in it, so that's good. There's the needle. Definitely probably need a new needle because that is, okay, focus. There we go. That needle is really stiff, so, well, yeah, that's gonna need a new one. Put that over there. Then we have the pilot jet, I believe is this bottom one. Take that out. And that is that thing is clogged up. This is a 48. Yeah, super clogged. And then let's take off this one. And this is a 158. That one's not clogged. We shall see. You're definitely gonna need the new needle, or the yeah, because that one was dry. But the inside of this doesn't look too bad. So I'll order up that kit and I'll show you guys the putting back together of this. Oh, let me get out this this air filter, or this air fuel ratio as well. So that was 1, 2 turns out spring as well. Alright. I'll make another video when I get the carb rebuild kit. Thanks guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Later.